Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI FET. It continues to move in a tight range. It doesn't really give us a strong clue in which direction it wants to go. Clearly, here in this range, the market hasn't made up its mind yet. Highlighted to you yesterday and the days before that. Certainly to trade it at the moment if you want to trade that really short term, but it takes a lot of patience and pain and hard work, is to trade this range here, okay? You can trade the high range, the extremes of the range if you want to, but to understand in which direction the market really wants to take it, we need to keep an eye on two key levels. To the downside, 40.5 cents. Yeah, getting a sustained break below that level will most likely take it into the region between 33.18 and 17.49 cents. That's between the 50% and the 78.6 retracement. That would, in my opinion, then be a C wave to the downside within a larger ABC correction, which is part of a wave 2, which normally retraces quite a lot. So wave 2s tend to retrace quite a bit. And I'm saying that because we have a possible 5-wave move up complete. Okay, so that's certainly one possible interpretation, but I want to see the price move below 40.5 cents to verify that and to get that signal. If we break to the upside, we are going to face some headwinds because we're going to break directly into resistance. We've got here the 48.6 cent level as first line of the B wave resistance. The move to the upside currently looks definitely corrective, not impulsive at all. Yeah, so the move here currently suggests still another move down because we came down impulsively. We have so far failed to rally impulsively, so move down impulsive, move up corrective indicates another impulsive move to the downside. Yeah, it is really only if we break and manage to break above 55.6 cents that we can talk about a breakout to the upside, which is of course possible. You know, even unlikely scenarios are possible, and the market can take that route, but it's just at the moment unlikely. Okay, so it's about waiting for that signal. So the point is, even if we break here above the 48.7 cent level, which is sort of the 50% fib level and also the recent high, we are still heading directly into resistance, and the next resistance level at the 61.8 retracement is directly around the corner. So it's above, you know, you want to see this move above the 78.6 retracement, which is unlikely for a B wave. So getting above that, yeah, it's beyond the ideal targets for a B wave. So that move above that level would indicate we are actually in a breakout. And then targets would be, first target was 73 cents. We talked about that in the last few days. Next target is just below a dollar, around 97 cents. So yeah, this is what we are working with. Market hasn't made up its mind yet. So also we are on hold here and waiting what kind of signal the market gives us. Looking purely at the price action, the price action is strongly suggestive of another move to the downside here, but we are moving in the range. So we give the range preference. It's sideways movement until it breaks. But the more often you touch these support and resistance areas and levels, the more brittle they get. And when really the last trader has realized there's a range going on that can be traded, it typically breaks. But it's highly suggestive of another move down. Again, keep an open mind here because we're in a corrective structure. These often morph, but at the moment my best reading is that this is going to come down. If it goes up, what kind of pattern we would have then? Well, first of all, we could talk about a stronger B wave, but again, that will get unlikely above 55.6 cents. Yeah, we could then say that it was a shallow wave 2 and possibly just finished here. The move to the upside here would then count as a leading diagonal in a wave 1. Very unlikely count with the wave 2 down, and then the third wave rally of the third probably next, right? But it's, yeah, it's not, yeah, I would like to have just a clear low here. Yeah, it would just be clearer from an analytical point of view and also in terms of knowing where we are on the roadmap here, because hitting this yellow support area would give us a clear reversal point and would allow for another entry point at a lower price and would just give a clear setback from where we can start another rally. But again, we need to keep an eye on this resistance. If it's broken, we go up straight away without that diversion through the yellow support area. Okay, that's my update about FET. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.